Haji Ifraad, before 8th Dhul Hijjah, on 7th Dhul Hijjah or before Fajr prayer of 8th Dhul Hijjah. Enter the state of Ihram from Mecca with the intention of Hajj only. Start reciting Talbiyah, then leave for Masjid al-Haram, the sacred mosque. Upon reaching Masjid al-Haram, stop reciting Talbiyah and start Tawaf al-Qudum, Tawaf of arrival. This is Sunnah. After completing Tawaf, perform Sa'i of Safa and Marwa. This is also Sunnah. This is not mandatory and pilgrim can leave for Mina without performing Sa'i, but most scholars recommend to do both Tawaf and Sa'i before leaving for Mina. After completing Sa'i, do not cut or trim the hair and remain in the state of Ihram, no matter how long the period between pilgrim's Umrah and Hajj may be. Pilgrim will proceed to Mina and must reach there before Dhul Hijjah prayer of 8th Dhul Hijjah. Don't forget to recite Talbiyah on your way to Mina. Rest of the rituals of Hajj are same.